Again, I'm the Goki intimacy coach. And how are you all? Good evening. Yes, say hi. Hi, guys. Hi, Gavish. So, yeah, okay. Hi, Sanjeev. Hi, Bhanu. Bhanu is even my brother's name. Hi, Manju. Hi, Shankar. Hi, Sri Hari. Hello, Ashwani. Hi, Gajendra. Hi, Harish. Hi, Pooja. Hi, Balveer. Wow. Big hi to everyone. Hi Mahinder. Hi Madhu. Hi Erin. Hi Som. Hi Bachchu. Hi Mini. Ooh, fabulous. जी हिंदी में बोलेंगे मिथुन जी, बिल्कुल हिंदी में बोलेंगे. हिंदी आती है, हिंदी अच्छा भी लगता है. गुड इवनिंग गेश. हाय विजय. हाय सिनन. हाय सेजल. हाय हिरेन. Okay, so big hi to everyone. Namaste. Today we are here on our daily show on Goki. As you know, guys, the quiz is about to start in 3 minutes from now. This is the India Health Quiz, and it gives you the opportunity to win a lot of prizes. And yeah, I also got my Goki bag delivered today, so I also won a small prize, and it feels amazing. I mean, yes, Goki is not just for fitness; it is also for keeping us happy through multiple means. I mean, rewards are just one of the way. So, just a quick update about quiz. This is a 100-day challenge, and we are already past more than 15 days, and it's going up to November 2nd week. And you can win points from each quiz. Playing each quiz, you get 50 points. Answering 5 questions, you need keys to participate in the quiz, and you get keys by every day when you open your golden chest box, you get 3 keys. Or you walk 6,000 steps a day, then you get keys, and you can buy something on Goki store, and you can get keys by using 200 Goki cash. So that you will need keys to participate in the quiz. Now the most important thing is lives, because many a times we are not able to know the right answer to a question, and then we get eliminated. तो elimination से बचाने के लिए आप लाइव्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वो जो स्मॉल एप्पल्स होते हैं, आपकी स्क्रीन पे आपको दिखता होगा, तो वो एप्पल्स जो होते हैं वो लाइव्स होती हैं. आप कैसे लाइव्स गेन कर सकते हो? बाय इनवाइटिंग योर फ्रेंड्स. तो अगर आपका इनवाइटेड फ्रेंड गोकी ज्वाइन करता है, मतलब अगर आपने किसी को अपना रेफरल लिंक भेजा और उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया गोकी, तो यू गेट 5 लाइक्स. आई मीन 5 लाइक्स इज लाइक बिग नंबर. एंड देन इफ़ दे ओपन द गोकी ऐप एवरी डे, मतलब ज्वाइन करने के बाद वो गोकी ऐप ओपन करते हैं, तो आपको 3 लाइफ मिलती है. एंड सॉरी 2 लाइफ्स मिलती है. एंड देन व्हेन ही प्लेस गोकी क्विज, देन यू गेट 3 लाइफ्स. मतलब अगर आपकी तरह वो भी गोकी इंडिया हेल्थ क्विज खेलते हैं, तो आपको 3 लाइफ मिलती है. तो अपने फ्रेंड्स को इन्वाइट कीजिए, लाइफ गेन कीजिए, क्विज खेलिए, गेट मोर पॉइंट्स, एंड यू कैन redeem those points by claiming an award. So every award has a certain number of points, like mobile phones, iPhones, even 5 lakh cash prize. So every award has some number of points, and it's like very sure fact. It's not something based on luck or lottery कि हमको lottery लगेगा first any 5. No, you get the points, you claim it. It is that certain. So for that certainty, you also need to appear on the quiz on time. So keep a check on the timer on the screen, because the quiz will start on time, so there will not be any delays. अगर आप लेट होते हो तो आप क्विज नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाओगे. सो बी ऑन टाइम. यूजर्स, the quiz are played on Goki Play sessions, so log on to the Goki Play sessions. And yes, you can also get the hints about the quiz by following Goki India social handles. So Twitter, Instagram or Facebook page, we are dropping hints about the questions, so please follow and check out. All the best. Wow, Shraddha, I also claimed the bag. मिथुन, आप प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि वाई यंगर मैन ओल्डर मैन की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. जो युवा लड़के होते हैं वो अपने से बड़ी उम्र की महिलाओं से क्यों अट्रैक्टेड फील करते हैं रिलेशनशिप में, सेक्सुअली. तो उन सब चीज़ों के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं अगर यू नो. यस. Hi Priyesh. Acha Alan, you got eliminated. You should get more lives. No, that will help you continue playing on the quiz. Hi Janvi. Lovely name, Janvi. Even Sridevi's, I'm a big fan of Sridevi, and Sridevi's daughter's name is also Janvi, right? Namaste Nikhil. Hi Varsha. Hi Shraddha. Yeah, so everyone who is there here, we are just waiting for everyone to join and then we'll start with the session. Network problem? Okay, the quiz is about to get over. I'm not able to block Muhammad Adil because he is just a second. Okay guys, so yes, we are here back on the show. The India Health Quiz has got over. So yes, lovely. 50. Awesome Ritesh. So yes, we can share the scores guys, everyone who has done and has joined back. Lovely. Yes, I think Dilip, he has been banned. Yes, he has been banned. Okay, great, fabulous. 15 points. No worries. आप friends को invite कीजिए and get more lives and save more chances to stay in the quiz in case you give a wrong answer. Wow, Sushmita, 50, lovely. Congratulations, Ahmed. Hi, Anjan. Hi, Chirag. Congratulations, Anupma. Lovely, everyone who has scored 50. A big shout out for all of them. A big congratulations to all of them. It really matters, yeah. I mean, you have known the questions. I mean, it's important to even know the, health questions. So great. So let's start with the session today. Older women dating younger men. So if you know about there are two situations I'm going to talk about. So one of the situation is, the US President Donald Trump, his wife Melania, she is more than 20 years younger than him. Okay. And then we all say that, okay, he's quite a lucky guy, and she looks really, cool, and she's so beautiful and ravishing. And yeah, they look like a power couple. Okay, so no one is like, okay, why she has married. I mean, most of them think that, okay, she has got like Donald Trump, he's quite influential, powerful, and she is again, a big model. She was a big model. But then you talk about the French President Emmanuel and his wife. His wife is 24 years older than him. And then we like, okay, we pity him. Oh, he's so handsome. I mean, this is what is the, when he was elected as the French president, everyone was talking about his married life, that his wife is 24 years older than him. Okay, so yeah, then everyone would like, okay, why he has married such a old woman. तो उस टाइम पे सबको ये लगता था कि जो फ्रेंच प्रेसिडेंट है, उन्होंने तो शादी की है 24 साल बड़ी महिला से की है, और अगर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप है, उन्होंने अगर शादी 20 साल से ज़्यादा यंग वुमेन के साथ की है, तो डिफरेंस क्या है, दोनों सेम ही है. आई थिंक मर्द औरत बराबर होते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. हम कल्चरली सोशली हम ज़्यादा यूज टू होते हैं. वी आर मोर यूज टू सीइंग older men than younger women. You see any star pair in Bollywood, in industry, either the women they are equal. I mean, that is also a recent trend when women are equal in age. Otherwise, if a woman is older than a man, it will be like story. Okay, it will like a story. Okay, Aishwarya Bachchan has married Abhishek Bachchan, they were like just 2 years younger, but everyone, okay, she is older. Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas, so everyone like, okay, Priyanka is 10 years older, but no one raised a bro when Salman Khan was dating Katrina Kaif, maybe. So yeah, why we as a culture create a fuss about younger men dating older women, क्योंकि उल्टा नहीं होता है. We don't, I mean, everyone in our families or in someone like around us, we see older men being paired up with younger women. In fact, someone said कि नहीं 5 साल का डिफरेंस तो होना ही चाहिए मर्द और औरत में. तो ऐसे जेंडर कंडीशनिंग्स होती हैं. Now let's I'm going to give but now older women and younger men is the new trend. This is the new relationship trend. As a older woman, like I'm also in my mid-30s, and I can say that I have dated younger men. And yeah, I mean, it was nice. In fact, if I would end up comparing my experience with the older men and younger men, then I would say I was more happy when I was dating a younger man. So I'm going to come to the reasons. So first we'll talk from a woman's point of view, that why women like dating older men, younger men. तो आपके लिए भी ये अच्छा रहेगा कि you will know that, okay, why a young woman is preferring a younger man, and then I will talk about the point of view of a younger man, why he wants a older woman. Okay, so first thing, what women have traditionally experienced is a lot of control. Okay, when she is with an older man, he is used to control her, क्योंकि the way the time they were brought up, the women were still not working, so they still have this habit of controlling and not very happy with an ambitious, successful woman, someone who is on her own. And with younger men, like someone who is in their 20s, late 20s, they're used to seeing women on the top. Most of them are working for female bosses. Okay, so they are used to treat women equally. For them it's not a big matter that, okay, my woman is, because of course if she's older, then she's more experienced and she would be more successful, but this does not come as an insecurity to them. But with older men, this becomes an insecurity, because somewhere they are not raised in that kind of times. younger men who are in their 20s are working in the times when they are seeing women around them. They are actually being managed by women bosses. Older men who are more successful, they might not be. So for them it is very difficult to adjust with a woman who is more successful. Okay, this is the first point of view. Then second thing is, younger men are more playful, they are more active. Okay, they are more youthful, of course, because they are younger. So they bring out this happy-go-lucky attitude in an older woman. So maybe with time she is like, okay, she's more relaxed towards the life, and she's more experienced, and she's more settled, but she would still want that spark. Okay, so that spark that comes with age, I mean, that would be a very healthy balance when she is with a younger man, because they make you feel younger. Okay, they make older women feel younger. Ki, oh wow, I can go for scuba diving, I can go for trekking, I can go for all different kinds of water sports, or maybe hiking, a lot of adventure activities, a lot of funniness, in the bedroom, passion, excitement that is buried deep within, because with times we have mellowed, मतलब हम बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को मेच्योरिटी की तरफ जाते हैं, तो एक कहीं ना कहीं पैशन, एक एक्साइटमेंट, एक चाइल्डलेस, चाइल्ड लाइक, being just naughty, and just like doing something just for no reason, I mean, so that is where younger man makes older women feel younger. Okay, the company. Then secondly, it just widens the pool of available men. मतलब ज़्यादा possible partners हो सकते हैं. So if I'm excluding younger men, then older men, like maybe someone who is a single woman, single woman like me, single mother like me, they may feel that, okay, I cannot date older men because they are all married, or they are like struggling with unhappy marriages, or they are getting divorced. I mean, they are like, okay, there is some liability there, but with younger men, they are available, okay, and they are looking forward to life. There is no relationship baggage they are carrying on with, in terms of marriage. So this is like, okay, you get more options. Okay, then there is less caretaking in future. तो क्या होता है, अगर एक ओल्डर वेमेन यंगर मैन के साथ हैं, सो पॉसिबली like when you grow old, then he is there. Okay, he is there. It's not that both of you are growing old together. So if I am with an older man, maybe I have to like take care of her, because traditionally ये माना जाता है कि women have to be like mothers. They have to mother their partners. So with older men, it's also like that. Okay, you get someone to care for you. Okay, he's younger, he's more fitter. That's about the older women point of view. Let's talk about some of the things sexually. Okay, sexually how this is important, like this chemistry is important, this bond is important between older women and younger men. See, older women are more attracted to younger men's stamina. Stamina is in the ability to last longer, or maybe ability to have a second round of sex immediately after having had first. Okay, and I'm coming to all the questions, guys, so just keep writing, we'll just come back to all the questions. So yeah, they have higher sex drives. Younger men have higher sex drives. They could last longer during sex, or they can even start for a second round of sex immediately after the first one. I mean, they are like, no, and they have more reliable erections. So women के साथ क्या होता है, it is like, with age they are more becoming sexually active. They have, their sexual appetite has increased more. So they like someone that who can keep up to the level of that sexual increased sexual desire, because what happens in the youth, she is much more insecure, she is much more like clueless, and there is this complete body shaming, that she is not happy about her body. So there are whole lot of lot of factors that make her sexually inhibited. Like she plays by gender roles. Okay, my man has to lead me in the bedroom, and I have to be passive, I have to be submissive. A lot of those ideas are like, younger women, they all learn from media, and it is what being shown. With age, she understands that, okay, she has her own sexual desire that is independent of her man. She has her own sexual desire, and she has no qualms accepting it. She is very direct and straightforward about her sexual desire, that this is what she wants. I remember, I mean, as a woman, I think in my 20s I was not that sexually vocal, but now, I mean, if I'm in a sexual relationship, then I can express my desire that this is what I want, this is what exactly I want. I think I was too sexually inhibited in my 20s, and that is like, that goes for most of the girls. Okay, so this is a very positive aspect, is like the sexual stamina of younger men. Now older women are more comfortable expressing their sexual assertiveness. Like I said, that they can demand. Okay, an older woman can demand, and a younger man is more focused towards pleasing his lady, because they fantasize about pleasing the older women. They think that, okay, they are more experienced, more successful, more mature, so they have this like, no, I have to keep her happy on the bed. Okay, so this is about the older women and younger men. But now with older men, okay, Devin is making me laugh. Okay, so older men, on the contrary, older men, they are more traditional. They play with traditional gender roles, where they think that, okay, we are more sexually experienced. If a younger woman is coupled with older man, then he thinks that he is more sexually experienced, and he has the right to ask her to do this, and women have to be typically passive and receptive to his advances. So they are more traditional gender roles are more played when the man is older and the woman is younger. When a woman is older, she has an edge. Definitely she has an edge over the younger men, and she likes it, because she has spent a lot of years fighting for her rights, and all those feminism talk. And now is the time when she is relaxed. She has passed her चाइल्ड बियरिंग ईयर. सो बेसिकली जो हम रिलेशनशिप की बात कर रहे हैं, ओल्डर वुमेन एंड यंगर मैन रिलेशनशिप, इट इज़ टिपिकली व्हेन द रिलेशनशिप हैज़ अ एज डिफरेंस ऑफ मोर देन 5 years. So maybe the woman is 35 and the man is 29. Okay, someone like me. Or maybe the woman is 40 and the man is like 22. Okay, so let's take some questions, otherwise Devin will make me go crazy with his in jokes. Okay, what's the best deal for older men? No erections and lack of performance. Okay, Devin, you are still not older, because as I said that the age range is quite versatile. A 40-year-old man maybe can couple with a 50-year-old lady. I mean, this is what we have seen, is that we have heard that Naomi Campbell, she's a supermodel, she's dating a pop star, Leanne. Okay, so she's 48 and the man is 25. So again, it depends. So you are still not old. I mean, you consider yourself older when you are looking to a younger woman, maybe. So maybe look upward and see the older women. Okay, I think Sangeeta is asking, I think dating to someone younger to us brings together and help us to lead a healthy life. Sangeeta, it's all about edge. I feel that they are more young, older women, they are more emotionally stable. They have like gone through their shit in life. Okay, so they have gone through all the things, possibly maybe relationship breakups. Most of them are single mothers, or if they have not married, they were in relationships, so they know their stuff. Okay, we know our stuff, we know what we have gone through, what we have achieved through a lot of hard work. So we are really feel accomplished about that. When we were younger, we were thinking, okay, we have a big life ahead and we have to get married and settle and this and that. But now that we have been through those obstacles, so that gives in a different kind of confidence. Okay, so, and then who can handle this confidence? The question is that who can handle this confidence that we have gained through so much of hard work? So I think the younger man can do, and this is very true. I mean, it's not just what I think, it's actually research has also said that younger men are more comfortable and more happy about their lady loves achievements, accomplishments. Okay, and they are willing to learn. There is a lot of things to learn. So younger men, most of them who have been interviewed, they say that what I like with her is that I can learn a lot from her. That is something, when we say male ego, patriarchy, it is unheard of. So they are more willing, they know, they respect you. You are elder than him, you have more wisdom, you have seen more life, so they respect that. And then there is a unique chemistry. Like I said, a woman who is in her 30s and 40s, she has started realizing that yes, she has a sexual appetite. All those, she has gone past all those ideas and fake messages propagated by media, porn, everything, that women have to be passive, they have to be like wooed. No, I don't want to be wooed. I am fine with myself. but who can handle this now newfound sexual energy. Okay, so that's what Devin, that a lot of younger men, they have said that they are like tired of that rock and roll life, which is all about love, booze, alcohol and sex. They have like these days, they have been through that life. Like it's pretty early that someone becomes sexually active. So maybe a guy who is in the age of 23 or 24 has already had a lot of sexual escapades. So then, after 25, maybe you're still young, but you still want, a certainty. You want that, okay, where am I heading? Where am I heading? I'm heading in a hotel where I'm going to sleep with some girl and then wake up in the morning and then she's gone, or maybe I have to book her an Uber and then I'm not going to see her again. I mean, would they want this month on month, year on years? Probably not. What if it is reverse? Younger women attracted to older men. Yes, it is true. It is definitely true. Definitely true that younger women are attracted to older men, and then there are different reasons altogether. So it could be because they are more accomplished. Like I said, older men are more accomplished, and they are richer. They are financially stable, so they can spend on her. They can take her to trips and they can shop for her. I mean, this is definitely one of the attractiveness quotient. So, but again, like I said, that she will always be there. Will be, see, once she gains, see, it is all about, relationship is also about power play. Okay, so in this case, when they say she is attracted to older man, though maybe there could be a very pampering relationship when he really pampers her, but maybe she doesn't want to be pampered. I mean, after a time she thinks that, okay, I want to feel more mature. So it again depends on the taste. Like for older women, it's that they want to spend their life with someone who is like willing to learn. They have acquired a lot of learning. I mean, there are individual motivations. So yes, it is true. Okay, so yeah, we can go ahead. So this is one thing, that they are more sexually active, and they are more sexually assertive. They know what they want sexually, and they have no fears admitting it. Next comes body positivity. They are past all those rigid body standards of like 36 and 26 and 36 and all those like proper weight. Okay, so they are more comfortable with their bodies than they were younger. Even with me, I was far leaner when I was young, and now I am like no more in that weight. Like I'm don't even nowhere closer to it, but I'm more confident about my body, because I know that, okay, there's certain things that, okay, maybe I would be slightly overweight, but there are a lot of things that have added to my sexual confidence. Is like my communication. Okay, my eye contact. I can see directly, I can look directly at a man in the eye. Okay, so there are a lot of things that have added to my sexual confidence. Everything. I mean, I might not have liked my hair back then, but I like my hair more. So a lot of things that have added on me to be more sexually confident. I was in my 20s, and this goes for most of the women. That most of the women, I mean, I would say 90% of the women, they are more sexually confident in their 30s and 40s than they were in 20s. And they can go, in a lingerie, even when they can walk into in their bedroom in a lingerie, even though they have cellulite or not, which is like fat or not. But a younger girl, she will be like, oh god, I cannot wear this in front of him. Okay, so she's much more insecure about her body, even though she's younger. So that is something that adds to the sexual chemistry, because once you are comfortable in the body, you can enjoy sex more. So this comes when they are older. Okay. Then they place more importance on their own sexual pleasure. After a time, like after having a lot of relationship setbacks and relationship breakups, everything, marriage, maybe, probably, they understand the importance of their own sexual pleasure. That, okay, I like oral sex, I like getting oral sex. I mean, different things. So I may like cuddle more. I don't want to just get into straight away penetration. Okay, so they understand, and the younger men are also more motivated to provide for their lady love before they satisfy themselves. With older men, it is they prioritize their orgasm before then younger women. Okay, younger men. So this is about the older women and younger men. And let's talk about from the man's point of view. Why would a man like to have older women? So they are more active and they have less baggage. Okay, so they have less baggage and they have been past those relationship troubles. So either they are not looking for marriage, or they are not very much like jumping on the gun for the marriage. So they are not coming with a lot of baggage that okay, you have to be responsible for me. They are responsible for their own self, so they are not looking for a man to provide for themselves. Okay, and then they are career focused, and older men do look up to their women who are successful in their careers. This goes without saying, that they are not jealous of their woman if she is older, of her success. This happens a lot when the age difference is less and they are both comparable ages. So there is a jealousy, professional jealousy. Older men are used to be in control, used to control a woman, but like I said, younger men have worked for their female bosses, so they are more keen to treat their women partners equally because they have worked for a female boss. Okay, then see, like I said, that even for younger men, they are looking for some steadiness. I'm not saying that this has to be permanent steadiness as a marriage, but they want to know where they are heading. Like for a lot of younger men, Tinder generation, it is all about sex, alcohol, love, and drugs. Maybe every time it's just casual sex and multiple partners, and it's like over a period of time, you get tired with those flings. So with older women, they are more serious about the relationship. They are not looking to go and get drunk and get smashed. They are looking for having a very nice dinner in a nice restaurant, like upscale restaurant, in a candlelight. They have like more refined tastes. Okay, they are more refined in their taste. So younger men do like this, that okay, I am not looking for a party kind of girl where I'm just doing hip hop and dancing and shaking my hips and grooving. This is not every day. I mean, I would like to have some refined taste, and this is what older women brings. It's not just about rock and roll, it's also about like more emotional stability, right? They are more mature. They are more mature. They have seen a lot of life. Okay, they have seen a lot of life and they have got a lot of wisdom. So older men like that, okay, she has seen a lot of life and she knows more than me, and she has been through relationships. She is probably a mother also. So one of the benefits is that you don't have to go through the baby blues. Baby blues, like typically if you're dating an older woman who has her own child, then once you get into the relationship and you accept her and accept the child, I mean, this is like these days we all are mature and we don't say that mera khoon hai uska khoon jo kehte hain hum. It's all about the child is child. Okay, so then you don't have to get through the messy baby making affair, that okay, pregnancy, baby making cost, a very small toddler, like pooping or like blurping, a lot of things. So if she is a mother, then you are like, you don't have to take care of all that headache. You already have a very nice, cute, sweet little baby to care of. It's like really nice. I think that why don't we think about those angles? Okay, then she is a wonderful cook. She's a wonderful cook because if she's older, then she might have to cook for a family and she has to cook for herself. So she is like, okay, she knows a lot about cooking, so she can actually pamper you with a lot of dishes. So with a older woman, you are stepping into a world they know much more about. Okay, it's more relaxed, being more experienced, more learning, right? So it's a win-win affair, I guess. It's a win-win affair. Sexually, she is having a great time with a younger man, and life-wise, a younger man is having a great time with an older woman. And even sexually, because she is not inhibited. Okay, she is not inhibited. She is in a sexual skin. Okay, let's take some questions. Active sex life of women end up earlier compared to men. No, this is not true, Reju. This is all about inhibition. Women are, in fact, for women, it is like, it actually takes a spike after their 30s. Yes, A woman becomes more sexually active in her 30s, and for men it is like the downward spiral. I mean, unless, I mean, this is when they are not taking care of themselves, they are not going to, like, they are not taking care of their body and like other things, you know, health related factors. But for women it is like this, you know. For men the major problem comes is performance anxiety, and that is like completely resolvable. It's not something that, you know, there are a lot of you know, practices and rituals and medications, everything. I mean, it's, but then women, for them, they are more sexually desirous with advancing age. Yeah. So yes, Umesh, true, it's right. I mean, they have a strong hold of emotions, they are more wiser, they have seen a lot. It's through their experiences that they have learned to be emotionally secure. Okay, emotional foods, I think that's just a part of journey. You learn as you grow, so everyone has to go through that phase. I mean, no one can escape that. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your time. I hope you were able to, I think, I mean, this topic was so close to me, you know. Before I was actually starting the session, I was like, oh my god, older women, younger men, this is amazing. This is like this, I think this is a good equation, so you should explore that. I hope this has given you the confidence to get into this territory, and I'm sure you would be getting a lot of nice surprises. So take care, good night, have a nice sleep, and let's talk tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, on Wednesday. Yeah. Okay, take care, keep playing the quizzes, be the force, be empowered, and stay happy. Thank you.